Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I escaped the money trap. Are you tired of constantly feeling like your paycheck is disappearing instantly? If you are, this video is for you. It is time to take control of our finances instead of letting outside forces lure us to spending all the income we've made and avoid falling into money trap known as lifestyle creep. So what is lifestyle creep or money trap? It is the gradual increase of your spending as your income increases. It is the feeling because now you're earning a little bit more money to upgrade your car, buy a bigger house or rent a bigger house, or maybe splurging into a latest gadget that is trending just because you can, because your salary has gone up. Here's the thing, money trap can easily eat into your hard-earned income, leaving you financially strained without realizing. So if you are like most people, you only realize that when you actually knew that it is about to get too late. Or it is too late. So, how do you outsmart lifestyle creep and escape this money trap? Look, to be honest, it's all start with being mindful on what you spend your money on, the spending habit. Take a closer look what you're spending your money on and identify areas where you can do some cuts. Suppose you've got your salary increased and you wanted to buy a car. Ask yourself, do you really need that car? Do I really need that car? Suppose you've got an increase. You want to think about moving to a bigger house. Do you really need that bigger house? Maybe you have some subscriptions, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and some other subscriptions that you've never thought about, but you just wanted to have the comfort of having them there just in case you need it. So do you really need those sort of subscriptions? Instead of buying coffees, maybe three cups of coffee every day, have you thought about maybe brewing your own coffee at home? Or maybe taking your pack lunch at work. You see, in order for you to escape that money trap, especially when you get a pay rise, it's about restricting yourself, doing something that we call delayed gratification, and have a vision to where that money would go instead of spending it. You may be thinking right now, how do I do that? Which is what I'm going to talk to you about. The next thing you want to do, you need to set a clear financial goal for yourself. If you've got a partner, get your partner involved in it, because if you work as a team, you're likely to achieve the goals you're going to set yourself. Create a budget and track where that money that you're spending is going religiously. Can help you prioritize what truly is important to you and your family. Focus on saving for the future rather than splurging in every passing whim. Remember this, delayed gratification can lead to long-term financial stability and ultimate financial independence. So do not see what other people are doing, especially friends and family or people around you, and you try to replicate that, the way they're spending, the way they're going on holiday, the way they're trying to impress people, if you really want to be financially stable and financially independent for the long term. Look, not just because your friends and families are living a different lifestyle doesn't mean you have to follow suit. Be content with what you have, build a solid foundation of savings in readiness to invest for passive recurring income, or to invest in businesses, or to invest in something that will grow you and your family to a level that you would only dream of. Lastly, I put my hands to this as well. Celebrate your achievement. If you hit a milestone and you are succeeding, you're hitting your target, life is beginning to change. You're learning more about the value of investing. You're learning more about passive recurring income. You've done your first investment. You start seeing the return coming in. Reward yourself with something that aligns to your long-term goals. It could be a small treat or a special outing with you and your family, as long as it doesn't derail your progress. You see, when you celebrate your achievement, it gives you confidence, it gives you the belief, it makes you appreciate the hard work you've already done to achieve what you set yourself to achieve. Believe me, if you implement these few things I've just shared with you, you can outsmart the money trap that lots of people are really struggling to overcome. Take control of your finances and build a lifestyle that is fulfilling and sustainable for the long term, rather than chasing the next flashy trend. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next video.